Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can easily turn on or off your haptic feedback on your iPhone. So in order to begin, what I'll do is open the settings application on your iPhone. So once you are in here, you can scroll down till you find the option Sound and Haptics. You just got to click on it, and now you can see the option Haptics, which is set to always play. I'll just click on it again, and now you can set it however you want. So if you want it to be always played, so you can just put in always play, and if it's don't play in silent mode, you can just turn it on. So if you turn on the silent mode, and now you just start typing, the haptic feedbacks won't be there. So for any notification or anything, the haptic feedbacks won't be there. So if you don't want this option, you just click on never play. It's the so what the haptics is the small vibration that you feel on your phone hand when you're typing, when you're getting a notification and things like that. So if you don't want that and you're unaware of that, you just have to click on never play. So in all other cases, you can just put it on always play or whatever the option that you prefer. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.